Hello friends and viewers, welcome you all to your channel BigBull Trading. So today in this video I will show you how you can buy with a stop loss and target together in the option trading. So basically this will safeguard your trade. So you will just go in the buy in the FYERS, and this tab will open. Once the tab is open, you have to go for the bracket order. See here, there is CO order, there is bracket order. Once you put the bracket order, you have to put the price at what price you want to buy. For example, you want to buy at 1545. We will put it as the 1545. There you see there are two types of order here, trigger price and the market price. So in the market price, whatever is the price going, you can buy it at that price. Or if you want to buy it at a particular price, you can buy it. For example, I want to buy at 1490. So this one I will put it as 1490. What profit I want? Suppose I want to book the share at 70 rupees. So I will put it at the 70 rupees. And the stop loss, I want to exit the stock when it is 2 rupees. So I will put it as 2 rupees. So you put the buy price, you put the stop loss, and you put the target. When all the three are there, you will just put the buy bottom. See, once the buy bottom you put, see the order is showing as executed. So the order is executed in this trade, and here you can see that the order is executed at this price. So there are some indicators are there. I will just put all the indicators off. Or you can keep the indicator also. So this is the way you can see how it works. So see, it is going here down, and you can see the stop loss. See, the stop loss is 145. Whenever it comes 145, it will hit the target. And suppose I want to make the profit at 100 rupees, I will put it at 100 and modify it. So this is the way you can put the stop loss and target together. I hope you enjoy the video, and please share it with the other friends and subscribers so many others can also benefit from this video. As of now friends, today thank you and bye bye. We will come back again with another video.